Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by selecting the color you want to change. Use the Quick Selection tool or magic wand and sample the area. Increase tolerance for wider ranges or lower it for precision. Once you have a rough selection, click Select and Mask to refine edges, smooth, feather, and adjust contrast until edges blend naturally. Make a duplicate layer, Ctrl or CMD+J, so you can work non-destructively. This preserves the original, while you alter only the isolated region. Once isolated, add a hue/saturation adjustment layer clipped to your duplicate so the change affects only that area. Move the hue slider to shift color. Check Colorize when you need a uniform tint. Make fine corrections on the layer mask with a soft brush at varying opacity to protect highlights and shadows. If the texture looks flat, reduce saturation change and use blend if in layer styles to let underlying luminosity show through, thus preserving fabric grain, skin pores, or surface detail. To finish, make final tonal matches. Clip curves or levels to the edited layer to adjust brightness and contrast so the new color reads correctly in the scene. Zoom to 100% and inspect edges. Use Select and Mask or paint on the mask to remove halos. If saturation or hue still appears unnatural, try changing the adjustment layer to color blend mode or reduce opacity to blend more subtly. If highlights shift oddly, use a soft 50% gray layer with overlay to dodge and burn localized areas for balance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.